Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 55 Chevy. This is actually from the B case. So I personally loved this livery, so I went ahead and bought it. So this is from the Rod Squad series. Again, I didn't buy it from India. Sorry, buy it in India. I bought it from Malaysia. So in India, so at this time of unboxing, B case didn't come. So actually after A case, nothing came so far, at least to my knowledge. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So let's have a closer look. So out of the box, the first impressions of this casting, this actually looks really beautiful, and you can see the paint job here that looks really awesome. So see, usually when you pick up glossy paint job casting, it is going to be having a lot of paint job issues. For example, you can see here there is some issue with the paint job here, kind of a paint bubbling, and you will be seeing a lot of paint rashes and all. But the livery looks absolutely gorgeous, and as usual there are no headlight details. I really hate this when Mattel does this. See, no one is going to keep the car from the rear. Okay, so everyone is going to keep the car in this way. At least that's how I'm keeping, as you can see here, like literally around 50 cars or so here, in this table. Everything I'm I'm keeping facing, from the front, not from the rear. Okay, so the interior detail, these details are really nice. It's good that they actually went with a contrast color, like red interior instead of giving a black interior or a gray one or something like that. They went with a popping color that is really nice. So it doesn't have any tail light details as well, but it does have the bumper here, so which is actually merged with the chassis here. Okay, so the body is metal and the chassis is plastic. It's just chromed out plastic, which looks really like shit. I don't know why they're actually doing this. They could have went with at least a red chassis, to match the interior. That would have looked really like so awesome, or at least a golden chassis. I don't know whether Hot Wheels does golden chassis. Maybe one or two I saw, I guess, including maybe the Miura, if I'm not wrong, but not much. But that would have made a really big difference, either a red chassis or a golden chassis. Okay, so let's weigh this casting. So it has wiper details here, even though it's not really that good, but it does have, which is really nice. Okay, okay, 32 grams, not bad. So still it is not really that heavy. I mean, this comes under that same range as the Dodge and the Mazda, which we unboxed in the past couple of days. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Wow, it rolls it rolls really well. Honestly, these castings are not really that heavy, but still these things rolls really well. Again, these are, okay, I'm really not sure how they are actually importing things. This I bought in Malaysia, and so far all these three castings rolled really well. I didn't feel any issue with these castings. Maybe a little bit of paint job issues here and there, but when it comes to rolling, all three performed really well. Even though the Mazda Repo stopped here, it didn't had any wheel wobbling issue or anything like that. So this one also doesn't have anything like that. It rolls really well and you reach till the end. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.